Hi everybody, in this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Apple Watch not showing incoming. If you're unable to see the incoming call notification on your Apple Watch, following these steps. First of all, you could try updating your iOS and that should be able to fix it too. If not, you could also try placing a call by your Apple Watch. A good start place is to try and someone on your Apple Watch. So open the phone app on your Apple Watch and tap on contact. After which, choose the contact you'd like to get in touch with. Tap on the phone icon on the next screen. If the number isn't in your contact app, or open the phone app on and tap keypad and manually enter in the number and take a phone icon. You could also ask Siri to make a call using either the name or the contact by spelling out the exact phone number to Siri. That should be able to help you out. So you could try resetting your Apple Watch. So press and hold the side button until you see the power off button. Press the slider to turn off your watch completely. Restart your Apple Watch and see if that fixes your issue or not. So if the simple restart did not fix your issue, you could try the other step, that is hold the button on the digital crown for about 10 seconds until you see. Let the watch restart and check if the issue fixed or not. If the issue does not fix, you could temporarily turn off your Apple Watch passcode. You could also try turning off your Apple Watch passcode to see if you're then able to receive call again. So here is how you do it. Open the settings app on your watch, then tap on passcode, then choose turn off passcode, and when next window appears, you simply want to go ahead and make sure to click on the turn off, then test to see if you receive a call or not. Now that should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.